Me at this point.
Oh snap! I did it.
Oh, you're brave.
Oh, I'll wash it. It's okay.
Wait, before you put that, let me fix
You are go.
I can't know doing
Wait, who is this?
That's Tori.
Hey,
The party team.
Wait, where do we go from here?
that's bright. Oh, who's that?
Briella.
Hey Briella, look at me.
Hey, wait, let me fix my pants.
She's upside down.
I am upside down currently.
Yeah, she's hanging on like with her like ankles crossed around this like.
Wait, me.
Oh no, it's not right.
What?
I'll catch you if you fall.
I'll face it.
Art is
I'm
the
trying to eat
GoPro.
some pizza already.
Oh yeah, pizza.
Real Loki. I'm not hungry.
I'm not.
I'm not hungry right now, but like I want pizza. You know what I mean?
I had to pee really badly.
That's
I
not.
can take a nap like this. It's
Okay, guys, I'm
genuinely
going right now.
comfortable.
I was kidding.
Guys, remember there's a camera on my face.
Oh, I love it. They're watching me be upside down.
Guys,
Right?
let's just view this real
You wanna
quick.
see my video?
Hope my GoPro can see. Huh?
Hi.
Where do we go?
Like,
Oh, please don't fall.
Give me 5. Give me 5.
Girls only up here.
I can go up here.
well, he found as a girl.
What?
Yes, you, Caillou.
You're sitting up a girl.
Yes, you Caillou. Who's coming? This is like the longest part ever. My God. Who is that? Who is that? Is that Sophie? Hi, Sophie.
Sophie, 'cause-
Sophie's the only adult female here.
And then you have to
My socks are ruined. Look, it's a bug.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
Yes.
I'm gonna touch your
the
dog.
bars, man.
Okay, do it. I don't care.
Caillou.
Don't pull me down. Okay.
I know.
Caillou got dirt on it.
Okay, you sorry.
I know.
It's like a big chunk.
I'm gonna go back
I
on.
think that might be clay.
That's clay.
Oh, I thought.
Big chunk of it.
Who is like not down yet?
Cyrus
Maybe-
got
Didn't
stuck.
play.
I know.
Gibby
I
got
heard
stuck.
Gibby couldn't fit.
Gibby and Galen.
Galen.
Guys, I'm recording.
No, his name is Galen.
It's Jake. Oh, yeah,
Who?
Galen.
His name is Galen.
Siri?
said
Siri?
gay.
Yes, it's Galen.
Bless
So
you.
why does he go by Siri? Citrus or whatever.
No, that's not what we're talking about. Galen got stuck too. The counselor.
Over there.
What does he look like? What color hair? Blonde?
It's the cheekbones.
I could fit there.
Just the cheekbones is right.
I'm fitting.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Wait, where
Look, there's a big old thing of clay.
I don't yell at people.
I didn't think I had clay.
Go from here.
I got.
You're not allowed to yell at people.
Where's that this at?
No, I mean like, where do we go actually after this stuff? I don't know.
Is that
What?
dead end?
Oh shoot! I almost made a rock song when y'all
What
hit.
time is
Guys,
it?
teamwork is the dream.
Bro, what time is it?
It's stuck. I'm sorry.
What is that?
It's clay.
Down there. Hold on.
It's clay.
There's not space up here for 4 people.
Yeah, guys, there's not enough space.
There
Just
actually
wait.
is a
down
lot of
there.
space, y'all.
Shut up.
Well, you're going to
Oh
get
wait,
back.
hold
I'm
on.
gonna walk.
I can hear y'all.
I'm gonna climb
Hi.
this wall.
Oh, don't do that way.
So that is the way to go. I got it.
No, we can't fit.
Okay.
We can't fit. No,
You can fit through it.
no, like these can't fit.
Can y'all wait until
I'm
like?
trying to stay down there.
Okay, guys, we need to
There's
find
nothing
another
down
way
there.
to get back.
You need to find another way to get back.
Yeah.
I'll be
Down
like
there.
that.
They
That's
said
how we go through.
they said there's 3 ways to get back, but this is one and it's too tiny.
I found
No,
something.
it's okay because
Let's just wait. Let's just wait until more people get here.
What?
Oh, wait. There's a way over here.
There's 3 ways?
Well, nobody fit into that.
Right.
All right, so this is the
We
way.
can't fit.
you just throw this on.
Sorry, I dropped it. This is not a way.
That's the
Don't
best
eat
way.
it. That goes straight down. Do not touch the clay. No. Do not eat the clay, please. There's.
Okay, there's
Actually,
another way.
This is not.
That is the way. That's the way.
Looks like a way. But
I'll go first. I'll go first.
No. I wouldn't trust that way.
It's fine. I'll go.
We'll go. Okay.
Wait, what
no,
way?
when everybody gets
I
here.
just tried to.
How am I supposed to move?
You don't even have to.
We were supposed to get out of here.
Trust. I can fit.
Yeah,
Oh,
we have to fit the exact same room. Right. Give me your hand.
We're all waiting
Okay.
for another room.
Making sure you're good.
Wait, should we go?
Give me.
Oh,
I
Galen
have to
is
use
stuck.
you because I don't want to feel like.
I'm not gonna fall. I'm going to. I'm in a really stable position. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 points of God. Don't go all the way yet.
Oh, look, I'm getting I'm not gonna go.
No, like stay like there. Should we go? No.
Yes, we're waiting for Galen. Waiting.
Ask the guy.
We're not working.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
No, not this way. Can you hear me?
No.
Shut up. She's not talking to us.
Anyone hear me? Yeah. You need help?
All right, that's the way.
This is the way. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can.
I don't think that's the way. I think they were talking from back
Oh,
there.
there's another way down here.
Okay, go. I'm going over. You can't fit out that way.
Another way right here.
Can you fit there?
Can you fit through there?
I'm going out here.
That's the
Don't
thing.
go behind you.
Oh, wait, move your falling. Falling.
Don't fall.
No, I'm not falling.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
What?
Oh, never mind. I cannot.
I should have worn a pair of off-brand socks,
It's
bro.
like a dead end.
Why do I wear Nike socks?
He cannot get up.
Yeah, neither do I.
Y'all watch out, cause so then what's his name?
No.
I don't think we should go through.
Yeah, come back, come back.
I low-key forgot his real name.
Everyone come back.
Oh shoot.
It's my grandmother's name, so it's fine now. Sorry.
Wait, maybe we're not going that
I
way.
don't think so.
No, I can like read the situation. Why do you come after me?
Go, come on.
I'm coming. Where are you going? No. That's
No, go back, go back, go back, go back, go
Yo,
back.
he was pushing me back.
Go back, everyone stay back. Let her, who just came in?
Y'all.
Where do we go?
Alright, we're not going that way.
What way do we go?
Oh, there's
Alan.
Sophie.
Alan.
Alan freaking trapped us in this room and left.
I found a place down here.
Okay,
I
okay.
That's
know
the
where
secret.
it is.
Oh, thanks for stopping my foot. I was really
You're welcome.
Bro, where is
I can sleep right here. Wait, what? Hold on, shush.
Wait, Alan.
Alan, speak.
Alan?
I swear to God, I heard him coming from that way.
Alan, how do we get out?
Wait, hold on.
Why are we all
Was
fucking
that
looking
up
now?
there?
I'm chilling here.
Up there. Like in that crevice.
Oh, right there.
Right
Not
there.
Are
we standing there?
No, not.
Hold on. Okay, get down first, I guess.
We should always have
Oh,
the
we
same
said go.
Let me get out. Let me get down.
We are low-key done.
Wait,
Right here.
down here?
Right there.
Oh,
How are we all
stupid?
Sitting down there.
Flashlight?
Look at
Go
that.
head
Somebody
first.
go first and see
Why
if
are
I
y'all
can actually
going-
go there.
Why are y'all going leg first? You are stupid.
You go.
Somebody go down.
I'm going after,
She's going down first.
Anastasia.
You got to wait. It's better to go down.
And then I'll go down after you.
Hold on,
That's
I'm
like a-
gonna go
oh,
head
okay.
first.
Hold on,
Like,
wait.
if I get stuck.
No. Go feet first.
Yeah, no one go until she's okays us.
Don't go.
Yeah.
Don't go head first. It's kind of deep.
Go feet first.
Yeah, go feet first.
Hold
Go
on,
feet
I'm gonna.
first.
I'll
Is there
catch you
anything
if
up
you
there?
put your hand
Is there
up.
anything up there?
I'll try to catch you.
Right.
Is there anything up there?
No.
It's just a dead end.
Really, yeah.
Oh, she went in there easy.
Okay, hold on. I'm going after
Wait till we.
Zara.
I can see them.
Right, you can see it from there.
Okay, hold on. I'm
Hold
going
up,
after
one at a
Zara.
time, one at a time, one at a time.
Wait, is it safe?
Wait.
I'm waiting.
Let me go farther.
I see light right here.
Yeah, because if we go down, it's gonna be hard getting everyone up.
We'll be fine.
I found the way.
We found it.
That's so tiny. You're not
Right.
big.
Oh my god, guys, we can all fit in there totally.
Yep. I'm
Whose
getting
skinny
it.
self is fitting in there?
No way.
You.
Yeah.
You.
No.
Why are you so tiny?
What's from here? Alright.
Talking about some who's.
Is that the way?
Okay, so come back up.
I'm not.
Or right under you.
You look like you're chilling.
I know it's a
She's halfway down. Oh no. Wait. Oh, I see.
You
some
okay?
right there.
Right.
Hey, you okay?
Huh?
Yeah, she's fine. She's tired.
Sit back down. Someone sit back
Need
down. I
help.
can see you guys.
Who is that?
They're hanging off a cliff.
What?
Look, right there, right here.
Why are they cliff diving?
Oh,
I don't know.
No, we're not cliff diving. We're cave diving, not cliff diving.
Why did they leave us all
Diving
alone?
is with water.
I can see someone's
Cliff
right there.
climbing. Diving is with water.
Yeah.
Cliff diving
Hey,
is
watch out.
diving. I mean,
Don't move.
Yeah, never cliff diving for me. I'm sorry. I've
cave
seen
diving is
I've
diving
seen too
in
many
an
horror
underwater
movies about
cave.
this shit.
I should have never went down here.
Oh, right there with that.
Yeah, I don't know why we're all like. Why didn't he
Actually,
just
guys,
leave
no one
us?
goes to smoke in the
He looked, he just like left and didn't tell us where to go.
Wait, Alan.
He's like, there's 3 ways, but I'm not gonna tell you all them.
Yeah.
Alan,
There's
we
3
don't
ways.
know the way.
But you have to unlock
He's right there,
them.
right there. He's low-key watching. He's gonna low-key watch this footage.
There's 3 ways, but you have to unlock them with the key.
He's talking. He's talking.
3, you have to see this big one. Fight for the key now.
No, he's talking.
Keep talking.
Shush.
Watch out, Ty.
Back to the back of the room.
Alright.
Rock
Over the rock?
behind it.
Behind
Alright.
it. So down or up?
Okay, so our first way was the way.
So down?
Wait for Anastasia.
Oh, you squeeze into that goes down.
Okay, so we are going down.
Yeah, we are going down. Alright, go over.
Wait,
It's
is
easier.
it when you walk into the right?
No, it's the one where you go all the way to the back and over and slash over.
Who are
He
first?
said in the
Oh,
back.
are you
so
going
that
first?
one.
No, I'm waiting for y'all to go.
Alright, Anastasia's going
I'll say
first.
she's going first. She's our Dora the
Send me,
Explorer.
bro.
No, we're
Go
sacrificing
up.
her.
Our freaking Dora the Explorer.
Wait, hold on.
So this is the way it went before. Just
We did this.
You said it was west. So you're right.
We'll try, and if we it's
Can I get someone's hand?
Oh,
Be careful.
please
Yeah,
don't
my
fall.
little guy.
If you fall, I'm falling.
Oh, it's dead dark back there. I know.
Well, I would never
Dora,
guess.
Dora, Dora the Explorer.
I'm going after her.
Okay,
Me?
bet.
Okay.
Wait, can
Zara come after me? Zara,
Yeah, she's going after you, and then I'm going after Zara.
And then I'm
You need my
after
hand?
Maeve.
No, I'm good.
Okay. Okay,
So
right.
you drop down. Drop down and give me 20.
They're going
That's
feet
funny.
first, head first. Feet.
You okay? I see the light.
You kind of have to pivot and then slide all the way down.
We're just going like this. Okay.
I can see them from here. What do you mean pivot? I can see some.
Pivot.
Y'all know what a pivot is?
On your hip, you have to pivot a little bit.
Y'all know what a pivot is?
Like to turn your body?
Why are we freaking going head first? Holy
You
cave
gotta go
diving.
head first.
I don't know.
Like, y'all
Don't
trying
go
to
head
make
first on this
Y'all
thing.
trying to give me a concussion.
Yeah.
Pass the thing down. Don't go head first on the first slab.
Don't go head first on the first lap.
Once you get,
Don't go head first in the first slab.
once you get there, then go head first.
Once you get there, go head first.
I'm a little scared, guys.
Wait, what?
Uh-oh, I look at big hips.
I have big hips.
Alright, I got big hips. Well, I got
Wait, I'm too scared.
You got this,
You can.
I don't have big hips. I don't know my hips are too.
You got this.
Wait, did Maeve make it through?
No, not yet.
Just wait.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
You'll be fine, guys. Make your head, head go down here.
Okay, right. No. Guys, I'm a little bit scared.
Hey, y'all.
I'm ready to be done.
I see your red
Go, Zara, go.
leg pants.
Bro, I'm not gonna make it through.
Here, use my hand. Go.
No, no, no.
Oh, no? Sorry, Zara.
You're fine.
I can't. I'm still there.
Because it's wait for them to get through.
No.
And then once you get halfway through, like roll on your back.
Roll on my
Your
back.
back?
Overstimulated.
Oh, y'all.
I'm too
You'll be
freaking
fine, I promise.
You're skinny, though.
I don't think I'm a
You'll be
fit.
fine. You just have to like move around a little. I got through that hard part, and now I'm
Why did
coming.
I go with Cyrus?
Can we send Cyrus first? Oh, my shoe came off.
All right, and then you're gonna go to the left of the jagged rock.
What? I can't see anything, guys. Hold on.
It's not gonna hurt you.
I don't think I'm fitting through there.
It's not gonna hurt you, but it just looks like it. I'm just being helpful.
I don't think my head can fit, guys.
You can't get out there. You got it, man?
I don't think I do.
I think you got it.
I don't think I got it.
I think you got it.
I'm scared, guys.
I think you got it, man.
I don't got that. No, I don't.
Everybody go back. Go back.
Maeve is not fitting. No, Maeve is not as skinny as them.
Is there a bigger way?
Back up some
He's like, I can fit.
I don't know.
You okay? Oh, your pants fit. You okay? How you feeling?
I didn't go through that stuff.
She good? Yeah. Oh, you should get through that way.
Guys, I'm low-key gonna... Yeah.
Bro, is there another bigger way?
I'm letting y'all know right now. If you ever been like a bigger chest, you'll want to fit through there.
The hard way though.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem.
So we already took that.
Back that way.
You heard something like
No,
that?
I'm good.
Okay. Yeah. It's like climb.
Alan, we need help. Can we go back the way we came?
That's what I'm saying. I wish we could just go that
Nah,
way.
cause
That's a big drop.
that's a big drop, and
No, we can't.
Someone can't fit.
Who else wants to try it then?
well, you can't fit. I
Go,
probably
go, go,
can.
go. Now I got it.
Hold on, Kai. Let me move. Okay, go.
Light work.
I hope it's really not.
Now, Zero, I'm going after you, so let me know how it is, because we're basically the same size.
Figure it out if it's still light work.
Wait, where's Zara? Zara?
No, go ahead. Okay.
Oh,
I don't know why
all I
he's
see is him sliding down.
I climbed up that backwards, bro.
Yeah, you have to head first.
No.
How do you like?
If y'all can start fitting off it.
Huh?
Guys, let go one person at a time. Don't all pile down there. It's kind of a dumb idea.
Yeah, be careful there.
What did I say?
Oh my god.
You can't do it.
Who farted, guys?
Can you not do it?
There's what down there?
A drop. That's why
Please,
I'm like,
one.
No.
Wait, I wonder if I can go through this.
Alan, bro, where are you, dog?
Can we go through this way?
Is there another way?
Maeve, can we go through this way?
I don't know.
Alan.
Did you say there's 3
It's on
ways?
yours.
There's 3 ways.
Where's the other way?
There's another way if you come back towards where you went in,
The easy way, the way that was right
Shush, wait, shush. What?
you'll see my boots hanging down and you'll see my light.
Wait, say it again.
Come up
Are you going that way?
Come up to where we came in.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you'll see a shelf on your left-hand side.
Left. Okay.
Into the room.
Maeve, I think I know what
So, left-hand side. Wait, what?
And you'll see my light.
I don't see your light.
I don't see anything.
We're going this way because there's an easier way.
Yeah, I just see
Hold
I
up.
go with you.
Somebody go in first, because I can't see anything.
Wait, I see your boots.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait. Should I try this way? Is it bigger?
you come on up this way.
Okay.
Oh, wait, the other
You try.
Back up so that I can take
You have it?
Okay. This got me.
You okay?
I think I've done this before.
You okay?
Well, I feel like I'm in Minecraft.
Y'all keep relating this to Minecraft. This is not the time.
You okay, me?
Yeah.
Is this good?
Yeah, but you gotta have like upper body strength a bit.
Okay, I got that.
Oh, I'm not doing that.
Hold on.
Go through that way.
I'm like,
Now, you need me to push your leg?
no.
Okay, bet.
I feel like I'm cave diving, guys. Okay.
Come on.
Hold on.
You got this. And I'll be right behind you.
Yo, this is actually kind of easy. Like, once you get up here, it's not that bad. Where do I cover my light? Where am I going? Okay.
Okay, make sure you got people behind you.
Yeah. You guys be careful. Don't kick anyone.
Make sure they're listening to you.
Y'all got this. Ugh. Just be careful. There's a hole up here, so be careful.
Can you see that light?
There's a hole?
A little bit.
Maeve, is there a drop?
No, but there's a hole, so just be careful of holes. Oh, hi, Alan.
Oh my god, this is good.
Yeah, this isn't that bad. I did this last year.
My braid's gonna get dirty.
It's okay. There's a thing called a shower.
I see a light. That's me.
Wait, Briella, do you got this?
I'm gonna try. Oh, right here, guys.
Okay, hold on.
Take your time. If you're down there, slide down that rock.
Oh, see, I'm gonna be dropped.
Slide down that rock. Where's your buddy?
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.